This is UEFA Champions Club Chrome 1 boxer. Someone's about to be given Barcelona because I'm feeling very generous. Also because you guys have all paid for it with your spot. But anyway. Is that how many teams it is? Two. Yeah. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Atletico de Madrid. You will get Barca. Roy, sit down and shut up. It's breaking time. How are you, Roy? Showcase is next. If I can find it. Casemiro, that is Matthouse. He just dropped out a Foxman. Hello, Nat. Nat will be in tomorrow if you want to come say hi to Nat. Kamada. Martinez, pink. Asensio, refractor. Shooting stars of Jimenez. Bakayoko. Rudiger. His name is Bart. Yamal, Wonder Kids. You had about 5 spots, Roy. I wouldn't say 8,000. It seems like an exaggeration. Okay, you had about a lot. Yeah, okay, that's fair. No, Roy's got a point. There's Yoko again. Who is Nat? Nat is Nat, yeah. Cockchew? How do you say that? Oh, geez. Cockchew? I don't know. London Calling, Kimmich. Photogenic case break, if that feels by 7 or around 7. 299 Miley. Then it will break tonight. Otherwise, we're going to do the 1 and I think there's 3 box breaks. Saka. Oh, look, there we go. Thank you, Munchie. Geez, Munch is all over it. Kobayashi. Rashford. Best player in the world, according to Bailey and his best mate, TDC. Ayase Ueda. I've probably butchered that, but I don't even know what team he's from. Good luck. He's him. That's Bailey's behaviour. Martinelli. He is him. Looking back on that, Bailey, how do you think that went? Jonathan David. Wonder Kids of Paz. Oh, this is very nice. I've opened a lot of this. A lot. Heartman. And Shooting Stars to 109, Victor Rock. Rock. And that is it for 23587.